Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It's a bit of a funny quote about shotgun and driver arguing for the music. Anyway, this design was done using this cipher, which in a simple strung out version of the script looks like this for each of our words. And I'm going to be using this to show the letter by letter translation and how it correlates to this. First things first, reading order. You start reading at the bottom and then you go counterclockwise. So this here is actually the first thing we read, and this quote here is here. So we read this first and then this. And you can spiral inwards. So in this sentence, we start with the outer circle and then we go to the inner one. So here's the first letter of our first word. And this is a deep divot shape here. This gold shape matches this deep divot shape here. And this is the letter D on driver. So a letter D is that deep divot with 3 dot modifiers. To make the consonants, we combine the rows, these different letter stems, plus modifiers, which are either dots or lines. So this here is our D, and then we have an R and an I together. Little guys are vowels, so we can see our little vowels there, there, and there, and there. And vowels, they can be by themselves, or they can be stacked onto a consonant stem. So this is the R and the I together, which is what this is. 1, 2, 3 dots on the R, and then that I has 1 line on it. So I just linked up these 3 dots and these 3 dots. And I also had these 3 dots on the R here. And again, this is the unraveled font version of the script. So this R would swoop back around and be right next to that D, which it is here. So then we have the V, and this here is a shallow divot with 1 line modifier. So shallow divot, 1 line, that would be the V. And then we have our E. It's a little guy on the line of the word circle, and that is here. And then last but not least, we have that R with 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. So driver. And then we have P, I. So P and then I. And then we have a C. So 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, which is good because the C has 4 dots. And then we have a K, which has 1, 2 dots, and then an S, which has 1, 2, 3 lines, these little golden ones here. So picks, and then we have a TH. We can do a TH as just 1 letter because they're together here on the grid. And then an E on the line of the word circle, so THE. And then our last word in this sentence, we start at the bottom here with our M. 1, 2, 3 lines, those 2 gold ones and that silver one. And then a U has a line going outwards, away from the middle of our word circle. So MU, and then we have this S, 1, 2, 3 lines, just like the M. And then we have an I with a line going inwards. And then last but not least, another C. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on that. So driver picks the music. And then this here is a period on the sentence circle. And then we have this sentence here. We start with a shallow divot with 2 dots, which is the SH. And then we have an O, little guy, inside the word circle. And then a T, shallow divot with no modifiers. And I just made this shallow divot pretty big to be able to hold this sentence. And then we have this deep divot, which is a G. And there's a U attached inside the G with a line going outwards. And this is hard to see here, but this N does have a line on it. This silver one here does connect up to the N, although when I went over it with this, it did kind of hide that N line. Maybe I should have gone over it again and made that a little bit brighter, but hey, whatever. So shotgun. And now I have an SSH. We just need the SH. SH, 1, 2 dots, U, line going outwards. And then a T is a shallow divot, like this. And then we have an H, H. And then we have an I, which should connect to the S, but doesn't. I have a typo in this. What do you know? Both of these are missing a line. Cool, so this actually says shut. Ew. Go me. Yay typos. And the actual prints of this, I'm going to add in a little curving line here. Whenever I can do some cheeky Photoshop to make that happen. But anyway, this, yeah, we have a typo. That'll happen when at a convention doing a long, long transcription, because the I doesn't have a dot. Doesn't have a line in this S. Whoops. Well, I already gave the original to the original commissioner, so Woot. And then cakehole, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on the C. The A is outside the word circle. Then we have a KE stacked here. Then we have an HO here, 2 lines on the H and then the O. And then the L, 1, 2, 3 dots on the L with the E in the middle. So one missing line, not bad. So yeah, we're gonna fix that in post because we need a line that goes in on the I like that and then out on the S like that. Now, now it says his. Food. Okay, so we're gonna make those edits and then we're gonna make our prints. How about that? Woot, or the prints that I have made three prints of each, I'm going to mark on them and show. Nah, they'll just be special first editions. Let's go. If you get one of my first three prints, they have this issue. If you get anything else, they won't have that issue. Hey, exclusive typos. It's a feature, not a bug, right? Okay. Anyway, I'll go ahead and, with a silver marker, get that fixed up. So yeah, thanks. Bye.